So, traders, as we look forward into our weekly trading outlook, I'm just gonna do in this video just to show to you guys possible direction for the coming week on 3 trading pairs that we always work on, which is nasdaq, gold, and usdcad. But before we get ahead on the video, like on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with, and I never comment and for the most part of it. COT Academy has opened up its one-on-one mentorship courses, so click that link on our description and choose your course that you want. Let us do the rest of the but without further ado, let me share to you guys possible direction for the coming week, and let me make sure that I prepare you guys, make sure that I'll be not only the first one, but the one who will share to you guys not only direction but knowledge based on this video. And first page that we're working on is nasdaq. So if I had to zoom in the charts, you guys clearly understand that nasdaq has been holding highs and holding lows. And we did speak about this, that obviously with a fail to break, we're looking for a move above, but with a break below, we're looking forward for the continuation to the downside. So as you can clearly see how nasdaq has been moving, we did violate our zone, and price did give us a low and give us a violation of that low. Now this is where prices closed to end the week. So on our trade idea, we're simply waiting for confirmation. This is based on us having to understand from a push that we're gonna get an exhaustion phase so we can get a continuation push, or based on where price is, or the price continue pushing to the downside so we can trade on our previous all-time high resistance, which was on our 22,160 zone. So let's take a repeat, either looking for price to give us a pullback, so we can look for continuations to the downside. If price will continue moving bearish, then I guess we're gonna let price move without us until price trades on major or point of interest zones. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. So as you guys remember from the previous week, that gold we did trade, you guys thought, we're going to be focusing on this to see what is price going to do on our previous zone. And now you can clearly see that price is giving us a reaction on this racing zone, right? Based on what price giving us a push in an exhaustion phase. Are we either looking for continuation push to the upside as we wait for confirmation and as price trades above the zone, or is price going to give us a break so we can look for those moves to the downside? We just don't know for now. But I'm just going to let you guys understand is that we're waiting for confirmation, and this is based on us having to understand is price going to trade above so we can be bullish, or will price give us violations to the downside so we can look for those moves and be bearish? We just don't know. But I'm going to keep it the way I keep it and wait for confirmation. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having usdcad. And usdcad is trading above our major resistance, right? And as you can clearly see, price gave us a push in an exhaustion phase and gave us a continuation push to end the week. So all in all, we're going to be focusing on, so because we're also going to be waiting for confirmation. That's why I understand that for a push and an exhaustion phase and the continuation push has to be an exhaustion phase, so price can give us a continuation push. But at the same time, if price will just choose to be bearish, then I guess we're going to let price do without us. But all we're going to be focusing on is for price to give us an exhaustion phase so we can do for continuation push phases, and that's all we're going to be focusing on just the coming week. But without further ado, I hope you're going to stay blessed, and I hope you're going to enjoy and learn from the video, and have a wonderful trading week ahead of you guys. Without further ado, this is Abraham, QCOT, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next educational video. Bye for now.